Okay. This one. This one.
Go to my bed.
Don't go to your bed. This one.
Star.
Great job, Si Mami ang nahihirapan mag-spell eh.
Heart.
Heart.
I love you.
I love you
I
too.
love
Oh, I love you too. Oh, this one.
Go to upstairs.
What's this one?
Bear.
Bear. Oh, this one. What's this one?
Ears.
Ears. May S ko talaga. Ano pa? Wala na akong maisip. Kasi kulang yung letters natin. Oh, that one.
Dog.
Dog. Oh, this one.
Nice photo.
This one.
Mango.
Mango. And this one. Ito, hindi mo alam to. I know you don't know this yet.
Lemon.
Kainis.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. O, ano pa? Ito. This one.
Zero.
Girl. Very good, girl. This one. This one. That one.
Boy.
Boy. Very good. This one.
Liko.
Hindi. O, yan.
Watermelon.
Hindi. Loko mo ko eh. What's that?
Watermelon.
Lion. Sabi ng lion.
Roar.
Roar. Oh. Ito to. Niloloko mo naman si Mami eh. Oh. This one.
Frog.
Sabi ng frog.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Sa lion ka nasira,
B.
Kala ko alam mo na yun. Oh.
Bird.
Bird. Eto.
Bee.
Bee. Eto, hindi mo alam to.
Asthma.
Alam mo ba to?
This is asthma.
Best. Very good Ito, hindi mo alam to. Mahirap to eh. What's that one?
Friend City Family.
Family. It's friend. Friend. This one. Ano ba? This one. What's that one?
Butterfly.
Butterfly 5. Ito.
Five.
Then, read. What's that one?
Slow.
Slow. Great
No,
job.
Tito. Surprise.
This one. What's this one?
Tito. Surprise.
This one. What's that one?
Go.
Go.
Go, one. Surprise.
This one, baby. What's this one?
These are a week.
Read.
Sunday.
Wet. Hindi yan weak. Wet yan. Ito. This one.
My
Yes.
red. Yeah.
This one.
If Auntie today.
Day. Happy birthday. This one. That one.
Family.
Family. That one.
I
I love you too. This one.
And me, Atala.
Me, Atalia. And this one.
I love you too.
You. Good job. Sige na, tomorrow naman ulit. Good night.